Well, good Monday evening. It sure was a nice day out there today with temperatures hitting 70 degrees in some spots. Well, now as we head towards sunset, we're starting to cool down a bit, mostly down to the 60s. Currently 66 degrees is the number at the Savannah Airport. Right now we got 63 in Midway. Temperatures are also in the low to mid 60s as we head further inland. We got 62 Baxley, and we're also right at 62 degrees in Alma. Now let's check out what our temperature is going to do here coming up for the next couple of days. We're going to have another cool start in the morning. Now notice our temperatures are a fair amount above freezing here compared to what they were 2 or 3 days ago. So we have warmed up some, 43 degrees about 7 o'clock in the morning in Savannah. In the afternoon, we could be as high as 73. Another nice day. Now notice though, about to our west though, temperatures at the same time up in Atlanta and Athens will be in the upper 50s. So there is some cooler air. It's going to start to push in our direction. And while it's not going to get cold, it's definitely going to get back to some cooler temperatures for Wednesday. As you see, temperatures on Wednesday through 3 o'clock in the afternoon more down into the low to mid 60s. So we'll drop about 5 to 10 degrees between Tuesday and Wednesday. And this is really about close to what our average should be for mid-December. So we're still talking fairly mild conditions overall. As far as our sky cover goes, we saw a few high clouds mixing in with our sun today, and now we're going back to clear skies. Out to our west, we see some more clouds, and we are tracking some showers as we head back in the portions of Alabama and Mississippi. This is actually the same system that was over the west coast last week and dumped all that rain. But this is much, much weaker now, and it will continue to weaken as it pushes east. So it's not very likely we're going to see any rain from it. If we do, it'll be a brief shower chance late tomorrow afternoon. In fact, let's take a look at our next 3 days coming up. Mostly clear skies overnight. Again, coming through tomorrow, our model is showing that maybe just a little shower chance through about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. If something does happen, it's going to be very short-lived. Most of tomorrow is going to be pleasant, as I showed you, with temperatures at or above 70 for your high. Wednesday looks nice and sunny. It will be cooler, as we talked about, but we'll have a lot of sun out. Thursday should also be a fair day. We may see some high clouds, though, coming in the mix with our sunshine, but overall conditions for Thursday look to be okay. So for tomorrow, we're tracking a cool start, temperature in the low 40s as we begin our day with a few high clouds perhaps mixing with the sun. In the afternoon, we're up to about 70 with some more clouds in the increase. And again, just a slight chance that there could be a sprinkle or a brief shower late tomorrow afternoon, maybe around 5 o'clock. Here are your upcoming tides. The next high tide will be in the wee hours of the morning. Tomorrow's high tide will be occurring just after 3 o'clock in the afternoon out at Tybee. On the water, the wind direction will be out of the southwest and northwest next couple of days, with seas generally up to about 2 feet. So not bad for boating. The wind will be up a little bit more, but the waves will be fairly low. Here's your latest pollen report, still showing just a little bit of tree and weed pollen, while mold remains in the high range. All right, how about that weekend forecast? Never too early to look ahead to the weekend. The last weekend before Christmas, it does look like we're going to turn mostly cloudy. And we may see some shower chances on Saturday. We'll continue to fine-tune that as we get closer. Right now it looks like we'll be up in the mid to upper 60s. Sunday also looks to be kind of cloudy and perhaps a little cooler with a high in the low 60s. Now here's your entire Storm Tracker 7-day. As we look at sunshine on Wednesday, there's that cool down to a high of about 62. A few clouds mixing in Thursday with a high of 64. As I mentioned, maybe we get a shower coming in on Saturday. The weekend looking mostly cloudy and looking fairly seasonable heading into the beginning of Christmas week. Jennifer?